How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We got our 1950s Schwinn middleweight cruiser here. I want to say it might be a Corvette. There's no decals on it. It might be a Corvette, might be an American, might be a Jaguar. Not quite sure. I know this is for a rear brake. It's not really a fender mount. It does not have the little mount here for a front caliper brake. It does have the 2-speed Bendix shifter in the rear hub. Everything's kind of rusty. Not quite sure if this is stock rack, but I think what I'm going to do right now is just kind of get it apart, tune it up, kind of get all the bearings re-greased, try to clean it up as good as possible. The frame is pretty nice. It looks like it might have been powder coated or painted before. Same thing with the chain guard. So we'll just go in and just clean it, maybe polish it up, try to get the chrome looking nice. Spokes ain't the best. This rim looked like it might have had a break at one time, so these might have been off of something else, I'm not sure. So we're gonna go ahead and just take it apart, clean it up, see what we could do with it. Okay. You could count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Alright, well, we got it all stripped down. Nothing really looked too bad. Bearing cups look okay. Left the kickstand on it. I'm not going to be repainting the bike, so there's really no need to take it off, and it works good. Let's see if I can show you guys here the serial number. Kind of hard to see in the shade here. It's N40903. Anyways, that's it. Got it all stripped down. We'll start working on the wheels. Got everything laid out here. Start cleaning it all up. Try to find some new bolts for some of this stuff. If anyone knows, let me know if this rack is original. I don't know. It's got the Arnold, the AS and Co. right here in the cranks. Even got an AS bolt for the seat post clamp. Now just got to start cleaning it up. All right, stay tuned.